If 2 flies were left to reproduce without a predators or the limitations for 1 year, the result mass of flies would be the size of Earth. Snakes are true carnivorous because they eat nothing but animals. They do not eat any type of plants material. A notch in a tree will remain the same distance from the ground as much as the tree grows. The distance between the notch and the ground will not change. Dolphins cannot stay long underwater because they breathe through their blowholes at the surface of water. Laika dog became the world's first space traveler. Russian scientists sent the small animal ALOFT in an artificial Earth satellite in 1957. American eats about 125 pounds of potatoes a year, about half from fresh potatoes and half in processed foods. 1/10 of the Earth's surface is always under the cover of ice, and almost 90% of that ice is found in the continent of Antarctica. The giraffes are considered to be one of the quietest animals because it has no vocal cords to make any kind of noise. Crocodile, a very dangerous predator, it swallows stones to help them dive deeper and have a good hunt. This world is full of living organisms, but only 15% lives in land and 85% of plants and animals lives underwater. The golden frog, also known as poisonous dart of South America, is considered to be one of the most poisonous vertebrate of the world. In 1932, James Markham obtained the first patent issued for a tree, and the patent was for a peach tree. Angel Fall in Venezuela is the world's highest waterfall on Earth. The water of falls drops 3,212 feet, which is 979 meters. The world's deadliest recorded earthquake occurred in 1557 in central China. More than 830,000 people were killed. NASA confirms that astronauts can grow round about 2 to 3 centimeters due to spinal lengthening and zero gravity. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then like it and don't forget to subscribe.